Hey there, folks! Today we're taking a peek into the future with a visit to a futuristic lab. Picture this, a sleek, polished lab floor glowing holograms of molecular diagrams above high-tech consoles and a curious, mischievous orange tabby cat. This little feline, with its bright amber eyes, white-tipped tail, and notch in one ear, is our guide through this futuristic world. His short, sleek fur has classic tiger-like stripes, and his soft pink nose twitches as he explores the lab. He's even wearing a slightly frayed blue collar with a tiny brass bell that jingles faintly. So what do you think? Is this the future of science and research? It's certainly a fascinating vision. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed this peek into the future, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. Hey there, folks! Today we're taking a peek inside a futuristic lab where an adorable orange tabby cat named Tom is on a mission to explore. This little feline is full of curiosity and mischief, and his soft pink nose twitches as he sneaks across the polished lab floor. Now, let's talk about the lab itself. It's a high-tech wonderland with glowing holograms of molecular diagrams flickering above the sleek consoles. The lab is spotless, with a polished floor that Tom's paws barely make a sound on. But let's not forget about Tom himself. He's a little guy with a big personality, sporting a slightly frayed blue collar with a tiny brass bell that jingles faintly. His short, sleek fur has classic tiger-like stripes, and his bright amber eyes and small notch in one ear give him a unique look. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the future, where science and cats coexist in harmony. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world of futuristic labs and the adorable, curious creatures that inhabit them. Imagine stepping into a lab of the future, where everything is sleek, polished, and high-tech. Now, let's introduce you to our star of the show, an orange tabby cat with a unique personality. This little feline is not only adorable, but also a bit mischievous, always curious about what's going on around him. As our cat sneaks across the polished lab floor, he's surrounded by glowing holograms of molecular diagrams floating above the futuristic consoles. His short, sleek fur is tiger-like, and his soft pink nose twitches with every step he takes. But our cat isn't just a pretty face, he's also a little fashionista, sporting a slightly frayed blue collar with a tiny brass bell that jingles as he moves. And let's not forget about his adorable, slightly notched ear. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of labs and the adorable creatures that call them home. We hope you enjoyed this little tour, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.